Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. D. A. Nikam, roll number 05. I am taking a topic for seminar use of ICT for effective administration. We all know, we all aware about that ICT is most important in developing the work in the office, the administration. We all aware about that in education institute there are many stakeholders for which we have to handle. In college administration, the stakeholders are university management, community, alumni, government and NGOs, funding agencies, staff, faculty, student. These are the stakeholders which are related with the educational institute. These stakeholders having some problems or giving some facility to them, all the staff members are working very hardly, but it is not possible to fulfill the demands of each and every staff, each and every stakeholder. For that we have to need to take the help of ICT tools. In majorly in the offices, they are using the technologies of for as a learning resources, in academic and administrative aspects for managing the activities of higher educational institutes, for data management, for access to stakeholders, for quick and easy retrieval of document. For these the ICT tools are used. In the offices they are using, or it is helpful, the important application and tools are MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Sometimes Adobe Acrobat Reader is also useful. A fast, simple and secure browser, that is Google Chrome, is mostly you can use it. Documents to be kept ready by offices, that is staff list, appointment letters, PAN, Aadhaar, email IDs, then student data, other state, foreign students and Divyang students, year-wise students list for assessment period with registration number, email, mobile number, program, etc. Category-wise list of students. For these, we are use a technology which can help to maintain these documents very clearly and very easily and make an office of paperless. List of documents is continued, that scholarships and freeship list, program wise list, students activity, extension activity, outreach activities, annual budget by maintained by the accounts, audited statements, then course taught across all programs, list of program offered, that is CBSE, BHO or many skill based courses, and the most important is examination detail also. Then some of the departmental documents also maintained by the administrative staff, that is list of computers, other IT infrastructure, ILMS and subscription of e-resources, library users, social initiatives which has been taken by various departments, list of the field projects, internships. For this, maintaining the whole documents, the most important app or most important application is MS Word, which is used to write a letter, to typing a various matters, office letters, office memos, or all this we are seeing all the above listed documents, they have to be prepared in Word. MS Word, Microsoft Word is very useful for office purpose. Smart work in MS Word. We see how we can make a smart work in MS Word. Page layout and page settings, tab settings, inserting table, taking total in a table, layout of a table, using multiple files at a time. Some of the function keys which are very usable I am discussed in this session about it. Effective use of function keys will increase the efficiency of every staff member. First function key is F1. F1 key is normally used in many applications to get help. F2. F2 key is used select a file from a folder and press F2, name of the file will be highlighted and you can change the name or you can see the file. Press Alt plus Control plus F2 to get file open in window. Control F2 for print a file in window. Some of other function keys like press Shift plus F3, first letter of the word will be changed in uppercase. If you again press Shift F3, the whole word will be uppercase. These are the function keys, some of the. F4 or Control Y will be used to redo the previous action, if any. Alt F4